First of all, namaste to all of you. This is Nitin Tomar in front of you. Today, I stand before a dream. Can India, can India host Olympics in 2036? It's not a sport. It is a dreams of 1.4 billions that India will manage it and can it host it. Just imagine just imagine a moment that when the athletes from every corner of a country, every flag, every culture step in the soil of our nations, where uh, where where the stadiums are where the stadiums the voice of HCOS welcome to India Bharat mein aapka swagat hai. It is the pride of the nations and it is the moment of goosebumps of the moments. And second, we have in our history first time where we have to host the Olympics. In history, we are from poor nations. Now we are the fifth largest GDP in economy. India will progress from every places. Like we are calling like in a bullock cart to the bullet train. We are Chandrayaan to moon, and from every field we are grown up. So in the second stage we are also increases the Olympics. It's not in our games, it's also increase the morale of every citizens, every child of in our nations who have dreams to be an athletes. Every games in our India, many games which are hide from a country, but when the Olympics occurs, they also known as what's the India and how the India. And we have unity or diversity. We'll know that 1.4 billions peoples, 100 plus languages, 1000 plus cultures are located in India. So the spirits of Olympic is in a unity and diversity, and yes, we will live in unity of diversity. Second, we have now youth power. In India there is a 65% of youth power. They are having a power to show their abilities, show their qualities in front of every places, in every field. In India, they are just not as the mother of land. It is also birth of an soldiers, birth of an athletes, and birth that kind of persons who can see who can that for in a country. And it is the moment that the Olympics in India, that host in India will never be host before the India then. And we have a legacy beyond the games. We are not here for just playing the games. We are also having a great idea. The stadiums for an Olympics inspire all the youth that we are done this and we will grow up. And India masses to the world. When the flames of the Olympics occurs in India, it show all over the world. It show the power of our country. It show the nation of country. And last, we have to say that भारत खाली ओलंपिक्स के लिए नहीं बल्कि एक हिस्ट्री बनाने के लिए है. धन्यवाद.